Introducing the Snap-on 14.4 volt industrial high-performance angle drills, offering the precision and performance of a pneumatic drill with the convenience of a cordless. Developed for precision drilling applications, this tool provides access to hard-to-reach areas that traditional pistol grip drills may not reach. It's ideal for drilling holes in tight spaces for screws, rivets, running wires, or even removing sealants from sheet metal. Choose from 3 geared speeds of 900, 2500, and 3300 RPMs, bringing optimal speed to match specific drilling applications. The powerful LED light illuminates your work area in tight spaces. The variable speed trigger provides excellent control for starting holes. Powered by the lightweight and powerful 14.4 volt micro-lithium battery series, offering long life and greater clearance in tight spaces. With 3 drill speed bodies and 8 compact interchangeable tool-free head designs, our 3 mini angle drills can perform the task of 24 different tools. Powerful and durable brushless motor provides high torque and long run time. It features industrial gearing in the angle head and motor gearbox, both with grease zerks for long tool life. The paddle trigger with safety latch provides comfort and control while preventing accidental starts. When you need precise drilling in a tight spot, the 14.4 volt micro-lithium cordless mini angle drill is the top choice for professionals. Contact your Snap-on account manager today for more information.